Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I got the tub out. It's time to start working on taking out the sink. Now, the sink wasn't anything great to start with, but it worked for the time that we were living here and didn't have time or money to invest in changing things out. But now we do. We've got a new tub in. Time to rip out the sink. Now the sink was a custom-built sink put in there by somebody who really liked nails. Yep, we're talking about Ardox nails that were tough to get loose. And they seemed to like putting a lot of them in. But, you know, it worked. It stayed there and did what it needed to do. The old cast iron sink was ugly and rusty and a mess, but it's going to be gone now. Let's yank it out of there. Now, some of these clips you've already seen, so bear with me. I gave you short updates as the week was going on because it was hell week trying to get all this stuff done. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. How many nails does it take to hold up a little piece of 1x4 against the plasterboard wall? Well, evidently 8. It's also nailed together with spikes big enough to hold a house up all on their own. But yet, some of them are just sitting here for no apparent reason. So I gotta wonder what they were thinking. Ardox nails have a screw thread on them, so that when you drive them in, they stay. It sounds like a nice idea until you go to take them out. One bent crowbar, a lot of hangnails, and a lot of help from my lovely assistant. Finally got the sink out, got the tile off the walls. Lydia did all that. And now I have a bunch of mastic to peel off the walls and the walls to patch. Fun times. Well, the pieces are tore out. Still got to take the medicine cabinet down, but we don't have to do that right this minute. Got to clean up the mess. Then I got to build up the floor where the vanity goes. But before I do that, I'm going to bring the new vanity in and set it on the floor to see just exactly how it looks. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.